Hey there my peeps, Grammy Tee from Grammy Tee Knows. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can effortlessly change the dimensions of your videos using the incredible features of Camtasia. Let's get started. Okay, we will begin by opening a new project in Camtasia. Come up to New Project. And we're going to open it up. Click on the Import Media button. Select the media that you want to use and choose Import. Let's make the canvas a little bit larger. Let's drag our video into the timeline and then choose Convert Project to 60 frames per second. And now we can start the resizing process. Right now we have a full size video, 1920 by 1080. In this first segment, we're going to make this video into the size of a YouTube short, which is a vertical video. We're going to go up to Edit, come down to Project Settings. And once we see the Project Settings box, you'll notice that there are options here, plenty of options to choose from, and you can custom the size that you want. But for right now, we're going to focus on the vertical large, which is the size that we actually want. Based on your need, you can choose either of these three. I'm choosing the large one, 1080 by 1350. And then you just click on it, check Apply. Now let's size this back down to 100% so that you can see these vertical bars. This you want to make sure you size your video properly into the dimension. You're going to use your resizing handles, as you see me doing here, in order to size your video into the dimension from top to bottom. Whatever elements you want to show in your short, you want to make sure they're in there. As you can see, at first my toolbar was outside, and I want the toolbar in this particular video. Let's go on and export it out to see the final results. And here is your professional looking vertical short. In the next segment, I'm going to show you how to change your long form video into a square video for Instagram. Okay, in this segment, I'm going to show you how to resize to fit an Instagram post, which is usually a square video, 1080 by 1080 or 600 by 600. Let's see what that looks like. And right now it's the regular size, and we're going to make it a square video. Come down to Project Settings, and we're going to come right here, and right here is the section with your square dimensions, and we're going to choose this one. I usually use the large one. And make sure you hit Apply. Now the wonderful thing is, because this is 1080 in the height, you don't have the vertical bars. This is your video, and you see how quickly you did this. Now the one where you're changing it into a vertical, you did have the black bars, but this one you don't have the black bars, and you have everything that you need inside the video. So then we would come up to Export, and you come right here and you click on your video. And here is your square video. And just like that, you've successfully resized your video using Camtasia, and it looks professional. You have your short, your YouTube short, and your Instagram square. And that's all for today's tutorial, my peeps. I hope you found this video helpful in mastering the art of resizing your videos with Camtasia. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.